Alrighty, YouTube. Well, we're just finishing this job up with the mighty Lite Escape, or Escape Lite. Sorry, it's late. It's like 11 o'clock. Had absolutely zero issues with it the entire time. It worked exactly as it should. You know, we had our 2 Rotovacs going. We used the speedster on the stuff upstairs where we could get to. You know, let's ask Matt what he thought of it. You know, he's finishing up right now. He's a hard worker. So Matt, what do you think of the Mighty Lite?
I think it's really awesome.
You like the Mighty Lite? How did the pump out work?
Really well.
Works as it should,
I haven't had to shut it down yet. And basically I can leave it running and not have to worry about it.
Pretty nice, isn't it? It's nice not to babysit equipment. You know, it's really productive. I would say it's as good as any gas machine out there. I mean, just don't have to shut it down to stop and babysit it. It sucks, it squirts as it should. So, you know, on that note, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. You know, this is just another day of cleaning. Look at all that sludge in that tube. Holy cow. So, how long is our run right now? 150? Yeah, 150.
Well, 175.
175. Would you say it's adequate suction-wise? Yeah, it's plenty suction. You know, I'd say it's like 36 blower-ish, around there, 36. Not plenty to clean carpet. You know, I mean, we're very, very happy. Way more impressed with this because it's functioned as it should. You know, we don't have to fool with it ever. It's just been great to not babysit something and get big jobs done. And, you know, props to Jim Bernard. He did a bang-up job when he rebuilt that machine. And straight up trade with the Cub. We used it upstairs about 3/4 of the way through. And then we took up the, you know, once he got the basement pretty much done, he went up and helped me. That thing's been a dynamo. I mean, the pump out's working like spectacular. It really is impressive. You know, we ordered chemical injection for it that you can get from Magic Wand. You know, go ahead, if you have questions, call Magic Wand. Feel free to, of course, message me. I'll answer your questions. You know, on that, I'm going to go ahead and sign out.